guys, welcome back to my channel, Peony here. Today I'm back with another best in brand video, this time in collaboration with Sensai, one of my favorite luxury beauty brands. So if you want to see my favorites from the brand, just keep watching. So guys, as always with my best in brand videos, I like to shoot them in natural light, so there might be a little bit of light variation because I want you to be able to see the products, how they will look with you at home. So let's start the video with my 5 favorite products from the brand. I always do this, and it's if I couldn't buy anything else from the brand, what are the top 5 things that I think are worth investing in? I'm gonna start with a skincare product from the brand. This is the Micro Mousse Treatment. It's a new product for Sensai, but I just feel like all of my skincare benefits from me using this underneath it. It really has so much science behind it. I went to Paris for the launch and learned a lot about how the product works, and it's a really amazing technological development for Sensai, and it really just boosts the rest of your skincare. I kind of think of it as a pre-serum or a first step serum. Next, I can't live without product from the brand is the Total Lip Treatment. I keep this on my bedside table and I use it every single night before bed. It is a kind of thick lip mask. It has a little pump. It just keeps your lips moisturized without having a horrible film over them for the whole night. I literally can't live without it. You can actually apply it to the skin area around your lips as well. Number 3 is the Cellular Performance Mask. You're gonna see me apply this in a minute. It is an amazing overnight treatment as well as a prep to makeup. It's like a super thick moisturizer that really just permeates your skin, and it's not greasy and oily. It's just really hydrating and smoothing and boosting to your skin. I love it. I use it both before makeup and also before bed. Number 4 must-have from the brand has got to be their mascara. I love 3 of them, but of course you could just buy 1 of them. I love the Mascara Base, which is white and adds a kind of priming layer to your lashes, which just really boosts and holds curl. Then they do a 38 Degree Mascara, which I think is an amazing all-round mascara. You can use this product on top and bottom lashes. I love traveling with it. All of the mascaras from Sensai are tubing, so they're waterproof, and I just think that they are really good for manipulating your lashes and creating a very impactful but natural look. Finally, my favorite mascara is got to be the volumizing mascara. They actually do more than one now, so the one that I love has the curved brush. I use this mascara probably every day and it is just so good. Finally, I do really love their 2-step skin system where you use a lotion and an emulsion. I use the number 1, which is light in both. I use this if I'm not using the Micro Mousse. I just feel like it really plumps my skin. I can really see a difference in the texture and hydration of my skin afterwards. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So I'm gonna start with the skincare routine. I'm starting with the Sensai Micro Mousse Treatment. You need to put some into your hand like this. It comes out like a little mousse. You don't wanna press it and compress the bubbles too much. So you're just patting it in rather than rubbing it in. The science behind this product is really interesting. I went to the launch of it and they show you images of skin before and after and how much blood flow is going to the skin, and it really increases the amount of blood flow coming to your skin. So I like to put it on as a kind of pre-treatment so that all of my skincare afterwards is going to really soak in. So you want to leave it for a few minutes. I like to follow it with the Absolute Silk Fluid. I'm just gonna go with 2 pumps. You could also follow with the Absolute Silk cream, but I'm gonna use the Cellular mask, so I don't want to layer too much on. All of the products have silk at their core, which means that they have this really beautiful texture that's incredibly hydrating and anti-inflammatory and just really kind of plumping and smoothing. They also smell really great, the products. It's a very light, natural fragrance, which I love. It's very Japanese. So I'm gonna follow that with the Cellular Performance Mask. I know Mary Greenwell is obsessed with this. She always preps people's skin pre-makeup with this product. It's like a very thick, creamy moisturizer. You can see it in my hand there. What I would do is almost massage it into the skin And you could take a tissue if you're prone to oilier skin and now dab off any excess. So I'm going to use the Sensai Total Lip Gloss. This is like a gloss version of their Total Lip Treatment, which is one of my favorite products from the brand. It's just like a gloss formula of it. And I find if you put it on at the beginning when you do your makeup, your lips are like prepped. When you've got all your skincare on, the first thing that I would use is the bronzing gel. I love this product because it kind of works like a tinted moisturizer slash primer. It has like a really nice sheer quality to it that's very, very natural on the skin, but also really beautiful. So I take like the amount that I would use as a primer. If I'm going to use it as a primer, I will take that kind of quantity and literally with my fingers just apply it straight to the skin. This is in the color Amber Bronze, which is like one of the mid-tone bronzers. So you can see it has added a bit of color to my skin. And you just want to blend it in with your fingers. It's super easy to apply. It doesn't give you really any coverage. It just gives you a tint and a glow. So once you've let that set into your skin, you can use your foundation. This is my favorite foundation from the Sensai collection. It's the Flawless Satin foundation, and I wear this in the color Honey Beige. Taking 2 pumps like that, and again, I just kind of dot it onto the skin and then blend it out with my fingers. Literally just like this. You don't need to rub hard, you can just kind of feel it melt into the skin. If you think you need a little bit of extra cover, it's great to just press the product in, just patting it in. Next, I'm going to use their highlighting concealer, which comes in a little pen formula like this. So I'm going to start with the slightly correcting one, which is a little bit more pink than my skin tone. And this is in the color Luminous Rose. And because it's a little bit pinker than me, it's gonna just really help correct any darkness under my eyes. And I'm gonna use a little beauty blender just to press the product in. Then I'm taking the slightly more highlighting shade, which is in the color Luminous Ivory. And I'm gonna use this to kind of brighten and highlight. So I'm gonna hit my bridge of my nose, all here, and up to my cheek, and a little bit on the chin as well, just to bring that kind of light to the skin. And again, I'm going to use a beauty blender. So although it looks like a lot of product, a beauty blender is going to lift off quite a lot. So I'm just pressing it. So you can see now I've blended it all in. It's left me with a really kind of lightened and brightened face through the center. So next I'm going to apply my bronzer. I love this bronzer from the brand. I know this is also one of Mary Greenwell's favorites. I've got it in the color Natural Tan, and I'm going to use the Sensai powder brush to apply it as well. It's super easy to apply. I literally just kind of stipple it onto the skin. I love this brush from the brand. It's really, really fluffy and light, and you get a really kind of nice soft finish with it. I've taken my bronzer up under my chin, and like it's just given me a nice subtle glow. So now I'm going to apply blush. There are 2 blush shades that I really like from the brand. So one is called the Blooming Beige and one is called Blooming Coral. I love them both. I just think they're really, really pretty natural blush colors that are very flattering on your face. For today, I'm going to apply the Blooming Beige, which is the slightly paler one. I'm using my favorite blush brush, which is actually from the brand. I'm going to apply this across the whole kind of apple of the cheek to add like a just general pink flush to the whole cheek. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And I'm also going to take that blush on my lids and just blend it out a little bit on the bridge of the nose. And that just creates this really pretty kind of flushed pink cheek that's more natural than if you just use one shade. I'm also going to use this darker blush and my bronzer as my eyeshadows now. So picking up an eyeshadow brush, this is just a flat eyeshadow brush from the brand. I'm going to pick up the bronzer first, and I'm just going to take that across the whole of my lid. And what's left on the brush, I'm just going to blend underneath. Then I'm picking up some of the blush shade on my brush, and I'm just going to take that into the crease. And you can even take your blush brush and just blend the whole thing. It should give you a really lovely, flushed, healthy, glowy eye that's very natural and easy to wear. And I love using base products as shadow products because it creates this kind of more unified face, I think. So now I'm going to set my face with a little bit of light mist. When you've let the mist dry, now's a perfect time to curl your lashes. and then we're gonna proceed with mascara. What I normally start with is the base, which is white. What I do is I curl my lashes and I just apply a good coat of the white base across my whole lashes. Then what I might do if I'm feeling extra pernickety is use an eyelash comb just to spread the lashes out into the shape that I want them to be in. Then I take the volumizing mascara. Now there's more than one volumizing mascara from the brand. The one that I love has the curved brush. Then I just wiggle the mascara over the top of the base at the root of my lashes and then pull up. These are tubing mascaras, so they create a little tube over your lash. So I've just combed out the mascara to make it all fall prettily, and then I'm going to do a second coat. Then I use my finger just to dry the mascara in the curl. I find the combination of pre-curling my lashes and then drying the mascara with my finger like that with this formula means that my lashes stay completely curled all day. And I know for Asian lashes that can be a super struggle, but I promise you the combination of these products and that technique, your lashes will stay completely curled for the whole day. You can really see the difference now between my two eyes. This one, which obviously has no mascara on, and this one that does. You can apply the mascara even more thickly if you want an even more impactful look. Then I like to take the plain 38 degree mascara, which is this one here, and it has a really lovely little brush. So I like to use that on my bottom lashes. So that is the finished mascara on one eye. So you can really see why I love this mascara. I use it literally every day. It's like quite hard for me to choose another brand of mascara to use. So I get a lot of questions about how to remove the mascara. And it's so simple. All you need is hot water. You don't need any cleanser, anything like that. Literally, if you jump in a shower and you've got hot water, it will just come off like little tubes off your eyelashes so easily. You literally just go like this and pull them off. When I'm washing my face with a flannel, I just hold the hot water in the flannel on my eye and that pulls the tubes off, which also means that they're like cry-proof, waterproof. Basically, if you were in the rain, I've swam in this mascara, it's absolutely fine because the water's cold, so it doesn't break down the tubing of the mascara. It's only when it's hot water that it removes it. I'm just gonna do my other eye and then come back to you. So now my mascara is all finished, I am gonna use my highlighter. This is the Sensai Supreme Illuminator. It's like a creamy, balmy highlighter. So I like to use my fingers to apply it. And I just take some on my finger, pat it off on the back of my hand, and then what's left on my finger, I take down my highlight places. So always down the bridge of the nose, across the cheekbone, obviously, and then a little bit under the arch of the brow, just coming down into the cheek, and then a little bit across the cupid's bow. I love that illuminator. It's such a beautiful product. It just blends into the skin. Finally, to finish off the look, I am going to apply a lip pencil and a lipstick. The lip pencil is in Stunning Nude, so I'm just going to outline my lips first. Then I'm going to apply my lipstick. This is in the colour Suzerain Nude, and this is at the Sensai kind of classic lipstick formula. It's a really gorgeous, creamy lipstick formula that you can wear all day without it kind of drying your lips. You can just keep reapplying it over the top. I love the packaging as well. It just feels really minimalist and luxurious and Japanese. I'm just going to let my hair down and so you can see the makeup a little bit more close up. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me get ready and use all of the skincare through to the makeup. I love this combination of very elegant everyday makeup where you can wear it any season, day or night. It's just naturally flattering and really pretty. If you enjoy using the bronzer blush combination in your eye as well, like me, I think it makes a really soft feminine look that's very natural, which I love. Let me know in the comments below if you are familiar with Sensai, what you've tried from the brand, have you liked it? If you haven't tried anything from the brand, what in this video has really shouted out to you? I'd love to hear your thoughts below, so just leave me a comment below and I will get back to you. If you enjoyed the video, it would be amazing if you gave me a thumbs up and also subscribed so you can see more content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch up again with you soon. Bye guys.